Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leslie, and today I'm going to show you the cards that I made using the September bonus printables from Kendra's card challenge. Now, Kendra's card challenge, if you don't already know, is a challenge where you take six 6x6 sheets of pattern paper and you turn them into 15 cards, and I'll show you those that little printout now. She gives you the cutting guides, and then she also gives you like the direction that the pattern needs to go. It's a 3-month challenge, and at the end of the challenge, if you've put in your 15 cards in a picture on her Facebook page, you get put in the drawings for all the bunch of giveaways. So I will mark more of that information down below. But today I'm showing you the 4 cards I made using her bonus printables. That's for all her Patreon group members. So I'm using the new Simon Says stamp Be Happy. This was their September monthly card kit, and I'm going to be using several of the stamps here to make different cards. I'm also using the embossing plate that came. I'm pretty much using the kit to make these 4 cards. So the embossing plate here, and then also the stencil. I'm going to do a little bit of the stencil. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to focus on one of the flowers. And then I'm going to use the hello die that came in the kit. You see all my other little ones. I actually have a smaller version of that hello, so that was kind of fun. And then I'm also using some linen textured paper. The one side is a linen texture, the other side is smooth. This is from Park Lane from Joanne Fabrics is where I get the paper from. And I just love it so much. We're doing an orange, a sunflower, and a green. I believe they have actual names, but I do not know them right off the top of my head, and I'm not nearby. So they have a bunch of different colors depending on which volume of paper you get, because it comes in about, I want to say 25 to 50 sheets and a bunch of different colors, depending on if you're going for more of an autumn look or for more of an ocean, that kind of thing. So with the September bonus, I'm not going to show you the sketches since it is part of the Patreon group, but it is taking one sheet of 6x6 paper and turning it into 4 cards. So I used this sunflower paper here, and this is my first card. Part of the sketch did include decorating the interior of at least one card, because that was the little leftover scraps, and then I flipped that paper over and it gave you the stripes. So this is kind of showing you what a difference it makes to choose colors based on a sketch. These cards look completely different from each other, and yet they're the same sketch. She does have a circle in her sketch. I used the honeycomb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hexagon, there you go, from the stamp, and then I embossed a lot of that bees and everything, so that was a fun thing for me. And then I did use the stencil for this one. This is the second sketch, and then she did give us along with the sketches, she gave us a bunch of sentiments that we could print out, and if we had a foiler, or like a mink or something, we could foil that if we use an inkjet printer. So on my very first card, you had the circle that had the sentiment, and then just a note is also from her. And then this is my third and fourth card, so completely different. Just one piece of pattern paper, but it just gives you so many different looks. I just love how these came out, and I was super excited to try these out, and I just like seeing how different you can make cards look just by changing up the colors and the sentiments. So this was really fun for me, and I hope you really like these cards. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments below. And if you like videos like this where I just kind of go over the cards, let me know. If you like more of a how-to, let me know that as well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in a video on another day. Thanks, and have a great day.